Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like post Australia cancelling the 66 billion US dollar deal of 12 submarines with France, every country started speaking about the nuclear powered submarines. On September 15th, the United States, Australia, and Britain announced the AUKUS Pact, in which the main announcement was to help Australia build nuclear submarines via a military capability which the United States shared only with the United Kingdom. Even though France felt very disappointed with the behavior of Australia in the case of submarine deal, they are quite happy to be associated with India and few more countries like Brazil. The France Naval Group is associated with many companies across the world for building submarines for their navies. In this video, I would be providing the latest update on the Brazilian Navy's first nuclear powered attack submarine, which is being constructed as part of the strategic partnership signed between France and Brazil in 2009. The submarine which I am talking about here is the Brazil's first nuclear attack submarine, the Álvaro Abato. To be more precise, the Brazilian submarine Álvaro Abato is nuclear powered attack submarine under construction for the Brazilian Navy and which is expected to be commissioned by 2034 tentatively. As per the latest update, looks like the designing and integration part and the plan has been progressing slowly and very soon the submarine could be launched. If all goes as planned, there are chances for Brazil to join the list of countries who operate the nuclear powered attack submarines before Australia does. Only few countries operate such nuclear powered attack submarines, and they are the People's Liberation Army Navy of China, French Navy, Indian Navy, Russian Navy, the Royal Navy of the United Kingdom, and United States Navy. Very soon, Brazil and Australia will also join this list. Now it would be good to see which country joins the list first. Whether it's going to be Australia, which ditched France for joining with the United States, or whether it's going to be Brazil, which would be working along with France. As per the plan, the planned nuclear power attack submarine Álvaro Abato will be launched during 2029 and commissioned during 2034 tentatively. If France helps Brazil, these years can change and Brazil might get the planned submarine well in advance. Coming to Australia, still they are not clear on which class of submarines they should go for and which one the United States would be offering to them. According to Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison, Australia will work along with the United States and United Kingdom over the next 18 months to seek and determine the best way moving forward. It is also said that Australia is yet to get a clear picture on the submarine design, whether it will be based on existing United States or United Kingdom attack submarines or an entirely new design. So seeing such a slow planning stage, it might take a year to finalize the requirement, the design and the class of submarines for Australia. So let's wait and watch whether it's Brazil-France partnership which builds the nuclear powered attack submarine before the AUKUS Security Pact builds it for Australia. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.